Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can connect your Hostinger domain to your Shopify store. So first is you just have to log into your Hostinger account. That's right, and then log into your Shopify store. So here on your Shopify store, just have to tap on the settings, this one at the bottom left corner of your screen. And then after that, you just have to look for the domains. Okay, so this one, so tap on it and then tap on this connect existing. Okay, so next open your Hostinger account, go to the domains. Then here you have your domain name, so you just have to copy this one. That's right, and then open the Shopify store, then paste it right here. After that, tap on the next option. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds after that. That's right, and then you have here now this guy. So first is we have to log into our DNS management, our Hostinger, and then add this record to verify the ownership. Okay, so we have that one right here. Next, we are going to add this new DNS records. So we're going to do that. So first, this one. Okay, so tap on the manage DNS. Okay, so for the type, that's A, and for the name, okay, and then we're just going to copy this one and then paste it right here. Then after that, add record. Next, we have this one. Okay, for the type, we have CAA. That's right, and for the name, we have that. That's right, and then for the update 2, just going to paste that right here. Okay, and for the flag, so I'm just going to tap on this one. Okay, and then tap on the add record. For the last one, we have this one again. So that CAA. Okay, for the name, and then for the record, and then I just have to paste that right here. And let me just put it right here again, 0, then issue, and add record after that. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So once you've done that, you can also update these existing records. Okay, so let's just go here, see name, and for the name, it's www. Okay, and for the target, we have this one, so just copy, then paste it right here. Okay, so let me just delete some of the existing that we can find here so we can add a new record. Okay, just delete this one as well, and then this one. Then after that, just tap on the add record option. So once you've done that, just have to tap on the I updated my DNS record, and then I just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so here we have to add this record to verify the domain ownership. So just have to go back here. So the top of that one is txt, and for the name, we have Shopify. Okay, so I'll just copy this one, copy, and paste it right here, the name, and then for the text value, we have this one. That's right, and paste it right here, and tap on the add record option. So once you've done that, you just have to wait, and it will take up to 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.